Welcome to Course 3, the Core 4 Competency Domains. As with all of our micro courses, feel free to pause the session at any point and resume when you are ready. Our learning objectives for this session are to recognize the 4 coaching domains and notice which one is dominant in the moment. Foundations. Co-create relationships. Communicate effectively. Facilitate growth. These are the dimensions coaches hold in every session. Foundation is the frame, who we are with, why we're meeting, and what's agreed. Relationship is the field where change happens, how safe and connected the client feels. Communication is our craft, what we notice, how we ask, and how we reflect back. Growth is the forward edge, what the client learns and chooses next. Pause with me for a moment. Imagine 4 threads running through every coaching conversation. They're not steps you tick off, they're strands you hold together. When I say the domains are woven, I mean they exist simultaneously. There are 4 coaching domains you hold in every session: foundation, the frame; relationship, the field; communication, the craft; and growth, the forward edge. Each domain describes both a coach skill set, how you respond, and a client perspective, what the client is needing or signaling. At any moment, one domain will be most prominent, and it's that prominence that's your cue as a coach. Let's explain this further. Foundation. The coach skill: clarify purpose, boundaries, and consent. The client's perspective may be uncertainty about why you're meeting and what's permitted in this space. Relationship. The coach skill: build safety, validate, repair. The client perspective may be needs trust, containment, or reassurance. Communication. The coach skill: listening, powerful questions, timely reflection. The client perspective may be it's making meaning, testing language, or withholding because of confusion. Growth. Coach skill: evoke insight, co-design next steps, hold accountability. The client perspective may be ready for action, testing feasibility, or looking for direction. Practice this micro move. After 5 minutes, name the dominant domain out loud or to yourself and note 2 things. 1, what you'll do next as the coach, and 2, what that suggests about the client's current perspective. Notice how that single brief naming shifts the conversation. When I use the word doing, I mean the coach's practical skills: a clarifying question, a boundary check, a reflective summary. Being means the stance beneath those skills: steadiness, humility, curiosity, courage. You can ask all the right questions and still miss a session if your being is misaligned. Likewise, a wise presence without skillful doing can leave the client without a path forward. Here's a quick example. A coach launches into problem solving, doing, while the client is signaling distrust, being. The fix feels efficient, but it misses the client's real need and erodes progress. The opposite also fails. Presence without direction can feel like compassion without craft. Here's a short experiment and a prompt for reflection before your next session. Name 1 competence you will do. For example, a specific skill, such as clarifying the outcome in 60 seconds. And name 1 competence you will be, such as presence, patience, curiosity. After the session, note what shifted in the client and in the path forward. This is not theory, it's a practice habit, noticing the weave between doing and being and choosing both deliberately. That choice is what moves coaching from technique to craft.